Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aniket and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to look at a very good free image optimizer plugin for WordPress. It's going to be a really interesting video. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. If you have a website and you have built it with WordPress, then I'm sure you know what is the image optimizer plugin. But some of you don't know, so let me tell you. So whenever you create a website, so obviously your website has some images, whether it's a logo or if you're writing articles, it's a featured image or some photos in the article. So you need to upload some images on your website. So what happens is whenever you upload an image on your website, it takes some space. And if your image is like 1 MB, 2 MB, mostly the images are of that size, like 1 MB, 2 MB or even more than that. So what happens is whenever someone visits your website, if your image size is too large, then what happens? The images load very slowly. Sometimes it doesn't load and the user experience becomes very bad. So to avoid this, there are plugins which are known as image optimizer plugin. So when you install this plugin in your WordPress website, so whenever you upload a photo or a logo in your WordPress website, it compresses the image's size. So for example, if your image size is 1 MB or more than 1 MB, it would compress it down to some KB. So what happens is your website, whenever the images are shown on your website, it loads very quickly. So the user experience becomes really good. Now, there are a lot of plugins in WordPress, the image optimizer plugins, but mostly all of them are paid. So when you are starting, you cannot afford those plans, premium plans, because the pricing is a bit too high. So I have found a really good plugin and I'm using it for 3 months, and this is a free image optimizer plugin, and also the image after optimizing doesn't lose its quality at all. So now let's get back to the computer screen and see which plugin I'm talking about. So the plugin I was talking about is Smush. So Smush is the free image optimizer plugin for WordPress, and it's a really good plugin, I'm saying. So here you can compress, optimize and lazy load images. So here you can optimize your images and compress it without losing its quality. And also they also have written here, it's 100% free WordPress image smusher, optimizer, compressor, whatever you say. So here are the features that this offers. Lossless compression. Lossless compression basically means that when you compress the image, you don't lose its quality. Also here, bulk smush. Bulk smush means you can optimize up to 50 images with one click. So if you have many images that are not optimized, you don't have to do it one by one. You can just select them and optimize it once a time, but the limit is up to 50 images. And also image resizing. Image resizing basically means that you have a default resolution for all the photos in your blog, so you can resize that at a time. Or if you set the resolution, so whenever you upload a new photo, it would compress it and resize the image. And also here you have many features, and if you want to read those, I have this website link down below in the video description. You can click there and read it. So now also I want to tell you another feature, which is without monthly limits. This is a really great feature because there are many image optimizer plugins and they have premium plans as well as free plans, but the free plans include a monthly limit. For example, you could only optimize 50 images a month or 100 images a month. After that, you need to buy the premium version. But here you don't have any monthly limits. You can optimize as much as photos in a month as you can, but the limit here is that the images should be up to 5 MB. It should not be more than 5 MB. So if your image is less than 5 MB, you can optimize like a lot, 100, 200 or whatever in a month. But if your image is more than 5 MB, which doesn't usually happens all the time, because I've been using it for 3 months and all the images I have are less than 5 MB, and it happens in all the cases your images size are not that big, so it usually would be less than 5 MB. So now there are a lot of features here. So now let's go to WordPress dashboard and see how you can install and activate this plugin. So now I'm at the WordPress dashboard, and here in add new, in plugins add new, I will type here Smush and I hit enter. So this is the plugin Smush, and here you just get this button. I've already installed it, so it's not showing the install now button, but here it will show you install now button. And if you know how to install a plugin, it's really that simple. You just click install now and then just click active. So now your plugin is active. So now we are going to go into Smush and just click here. The steps I'm showing you here is exactly the same. It no changes at all. So this is the dashboard right here of Smush, and as you can see, there are other features they were talking about here: bulk Smush, directory Smush, integration. Although you don't need to change any settings because the default ones is really good. And here, as you can see, my 148 images are smushed right here, and I have total saved up to 1.1 MB because all the images are some KB, 23 KB, 25 KB. This is very less. So you don't need to change any settings. But if here you have a button recheck images. If you have some images that are not optimized, you can recheck them, and if it found out that some images are not optimized, it would optimize them for you. So this was a very simple thing. I have a link down below of Smush plugin. You go to the description, click here and install this plugin and use it. It's just that simple. So this was all for this video. Thank you for watching the video. The link of the plugin is down below in the video description. Go ahead and install it on your WordPress website, optimize all your images, and you would see your website loads even more faster. Also, all my social media handles are down below in the video description. You can go ahead and follow me on social media. Also, like this video, share it among those who are in search of a free good image optimizer plugin for WordPress. Also, you can subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.